Hi there, students. Raffish. Raffish, an adjective. Okay, raffish means unconventional, bohemian, but attractive as well. So, carefree, fun-loving, unconventional, rakish. So this is talking about somebody who's disreputable, but quite fun to be with, quite funny, quite interesting. That's because they don't normally follow the usual social standards, what's expected. Perhaps they're a bit careless in the way they dress, but they're also rather attractive. Yeah, so he has a certain raffish elegance. Yeah, he's mm, not the most honest of people, but he's fun. So I'm going to call him Raffish. Yeah, slightly disreputable, but in an attractive way. Rakish, jaunty, dapper, dashing, unconventional. Okay, so Raffish. Um, Unconventional, careless and unconventional, but at the same time still attractive. So this club we're going to, it's pretty raffish, but it's still attractive and stylish, despite the fact it's not very respectable. Yeah, the raffish entry to the hotel, entrance to the hotel, put many people off, but it was very attractive in its own kind of way. So maybe a bit vulgar, yeah, but still very, very funny and good fun. Yeah, raffish. Let's see, you probably know this word raffish from riff-raff. Yeah, riff-raff are unimportant people. These people are riffraff, and you really don't want to associate with them. But the word raff itself was an 18th century word, talking about the people in the lowest class of society. Yeah, and it comes from French raffer, to wear away, and it's of Germanic origin. But more than that, I probably can't tell you. You might use this word raffish to say low class, disreputable, and vulgar without the attractive bit, but I don't think I would use it like that. To me, raffish is it's got positive elements to it. So it's naughty. It's not what is approved of, but it's still a great deal of fun. So yeah, he's a very raffish character. He's a bit of a rogue. A rogue is a good word for a raffish person. Yeah, he's not entirely honest, but he's fun. I think maybe in Spain, gypsies have a reputation for being raffish. Yeah, they're great fun to be with, but be careful. Just be careful. And I think that's the idea of raffish. The actor was playing a raffish Cockney swindler. Yeah. Okay. A very raffish character who people liked, but they didn't really trust him. Yeah. So something that's carefree, fun-loving, unconventional, but at the same time rather fun. Yeah, so not the most trustworthy, or rather devil may care attitude, disreputable people. Yeah, a party given by some raffish bachelors. Yeah, they're unconventional. They really don't care. They were rather bohemian, casual, disreputable, but it was a great party. Okay, so raffish. Formality. That's an interesting one. I think I'm probably going to give it a 6 in formality. I think raffish, it sounds rather posh. I think it's the sort of word that Henry might use. But so 6 in formality. Use it informally. I think use it informally in a posh conversation. Use it semi-formally. I think informally I might say roguish or a rogue. More informally. Use it semi-formally. You could use it in a literary text. It sounds a bit literary as well, which is what probably gives it the formality. Um, in something very formal, probably not. Yeah, maybe. I'm not very convinced by it. Okay, so Raffish, as I said, comes from Raff, from riffraff, the lowest class of society. So there we go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Raffish. You see, I finally did say Raffish. I've heard people say Raffish, but I think Raffish is the standard way of saying it.